Hello everyone, welcome to Housey. This is Palmi, and today we'll be revealing the teaser of Godrej Project new ultra luxury residential project Godrej Bandra Bay, which is located in a most premium and demanding location of Bandra Reclamation, Mumbai. In this teaser, we'll be discussing about the following points such as the project overview, location, amenities, carpet area, launch discounter offers, booking process and much more. Now let me tell you what exactly Housey is. So Housey is India's first real estate platform that connects the home buyers directly with the developers and thereby giving you all the bottom rate pricing. Unlike the current listing platforms जहां अगर आप एक बार कांटेक्ट कर लो तो आपका कांटेक्ट शेयर हो जाता है मल्टीपल ब्रोकर्स के साथ, बट हाउसी में आपको डायरेक्टली कनेक्ट किया जाता है बिल्डर्स से, बिकॉज हाउसी में लिस्टिंग ब्रोकर्स नहीं बिल्डर्स करते हैं. सो व्हाट आर यू वेटिंग फॉर? बुक योर ड्रीम होम directly with Housey. So let's start. First one is project overview. Godrej Bandra Bay will be constructed on 2.75 acres of land parcel consisting of 3 high-rise towers, and the elevation goes as ground plus 5 levels of basement plus 26 habitable floors, featuring ultra-luxurious 4 BHK and 5 BHK sea-front residential apartments. Now coming to the location part. This project is located at Bandra Reclamation, Bandra West, Mumbai. Now let me show you the neighborhood. The left side of the road leads you to Worli Sea Link and the right side of the road leads you to the project location. Talking about connectivity, Bandra Worli Sea Link is just at the distance of 2 minutes, Leelavati Hospital is at the distance of 3 minutes, International Airport is at the distance of 20 minutes, Nariman Point is also at the distance of 20 minutes. Now coming to the amenities part. This project is offering you with 25 plus luxurious amenities including the cryo, automatic temperature control infinity swimming pool, gym, clubhouse and many more. Now coming to the carpet area. 4 BHK has a range of 2,900 square feet approximately and 5 BHK has a range of 4,100 plus square feet approximately, and also Jodi options are available. A total of 140 acres of development which the government will be doing at the reclamation, and the Godrej is on the sea front. It will be a theme like the Marina Bay in Singapore, and the best part, no SRA in the 140 acres of development. So now let's discuss the booking process. Our project booking window is currently open. The client can come and visit the site, and our sales team will explain the complete details of the project. We'll share the pricing and payment schemes. We'll show the actual location of the project, and if the client likes the project, they can book just by paying an EOI amount of 54 lakhs for 4 BHK and 5 BHK. This EOI will have multiple benefits such as the exclusive launch discounts. All the EOI holders will get the exclusive launch discount disc BCCD ounce over and above others. Preference in flat selection. All the token holders will be called first to choose their respective flats. 100% refundable. Means after paying the EOI, if the client doesn't want to move ahead for any reason, then the EOI amount will be 100% refunded without any deduction. So everyone, this was the teaser of Godrej Properties new ultra luxury residential project Godrej Bandra Bay, located in Bandra's premium and most demanded location, Bandra Reclamation, Mumbai. If you're looking for more details of the project, then click on the link given below to download the e-brochure and price sheet. And also don't forget to like, share and subscribe Housey.
If you have any queries related to the project like pricing, exclusive pre-launch discounts, EOI process, brochure, or you want to do a site visit, you can click on the link mentioned in the description. Our NRI clients from UAE, US, Singapore, UK and other countries can also connect with us on the same link. At last, if you like this video and to watch more such new launch teaser videos, subscribe to our channel Housey.